bicycle. Listening 31. Listen and sing.
What's this? What's this? Is it a bus bus robot? Or a zoom zoom car? Or a ding ding bicycle? Yes, it's a bicycle. What's this? What's this? Is it a boom boom ball? Or a ding ding robot? Or a ding ding bicycle? Yes, it's a robot. What's this? What's this? Is it a zoom zoom car? Or a boom boom ball? Or a ding ding bicycle? Yes, it's a ball. Hello, I'm Natalia, the narrator. Hello, I'm Anya, the narrator. Hello, I'm Nina, the narrator. Hello, I'm Masha, the sky guy. Hello, I'm Magdalena, snake, and the elephant and the monkey. Hello, I'm Anisha, the turtle. Hello, I'm Neda, the leopard. Leopard is very strong and fierce. He has a big drum and he plays it every day. All the animals want it, and Sky God also wanted one. Leopard, what a big drum! I want the drum. No. Can I have your drum, please? No. Can you lend me your drum, please? No. Animals of the jungle, bring me the drum. You will get a reward. The next day, Python goes to the leopard. What do you want, Python? I want your drum, your big drum. Goodbye, leopard. The next day, elephant goes to the leopard. What do you want, elephant? I want your drum, your big drum. Goodbye, elephant. The next day, monkey goes to the leopard. What do you want, monkey? I want your drum, your big drum. Goodbye, leopard. The next day, tortoise goes to leopard. The other animals laugh and purr. You are small. You are coming to get the drum. What do you want, tortoise? I want your drum. It's a big drum. A huge drum. No, it's not big. It's tiny. Tiny? This is...